Hey everybody, this is Royce here with Gage 3 Designs, and I am back with another episode. Today I worked on a bridge I did in Revit 2019. I exported and imported into SketchUp Pro 2018. Pretty abstract bridge, has these rings around that go around the entire bridge, sidewalks here with railing, and we're going to have a street, depending on this size. Maybe be one lane or maybe two lanes on both sides, spanning across a river. We'll add Thea Render 2.0 water here, and then we're going to have a land with a bunch of trees. When I add my trees, they won't go past these boundaries because it can slow your rendering time down. So you want to make sure you watch that. Um, Say if you had to do a bigger span, something like this, and you had to add more things, that's when things like Photoshop come into play, or you have to have a very strong computer that's capable of handling that much 3D. So like I said, we're going to add the Thea Render 2.0 materials here. So let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so I went ahead and dropped in some railing real quick. So let's go ahead and start with the road. So we'll go ahead and go to online repository, and underground, I believe, is where you find your asphalt. Yep, you have an asphalt here. I really like it. And what I like to do is we can go ahead and measure, but I like to just go ahead and draw in my line for our lanes. So we'll just see, we're only about, yeah, we'll do one lane each side. Okay, couldn't remember how I designed this. Um, okay, let's use the white paint in here. See matte. Go ahead and use this one. Give ourselves a sidewalk here. And let's look in ground and see what we got. I'm just curious to see what this looks like. Alright, let's go ahead and check this out. It looks really nice. I may do some zoom in views. Actually, that looks nice. Maybe something like this. Get a shot like that. See if we can get the... Yeah, I really like that metal deck there. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. And I see what's going on here. Sometimes you need to lift it maybe just like in a 16th. 0.0625, and that helps. Yeah, I like that. I'll do an, I think I make actually I'm gonna do a view like this. I really like it. Show some pedestrians walking, cars flying by, over the river. That's gonna look really nice. Yeah, see now it comes in. Um, yeah, sometimes you just have to do things like that. All right, so let's continue. So we have our terrain here that I also built in Revit, and nothing specific. I just threw something together with the terrain. So let's go ahead and add a grass texture, and you can find that in ground on online repository. It's the first one, I think. Yeah. And we'll add it here too. Okay. All right, and this will start to look a little better if I start to add some dirt here, and when I add my trees and everything. So that's fine there. And these hoops here, they're just going to be, I'm going to make those reflective. so we're going to be looking there. Let's go back to our view, see what we can see. Alright, we got some trees laid down there. Let's see how that looks in a render. Oh, nice. But man, this is looking nice. I think I may add a boat or a ferry or something in here. Alright, let's go ahead and add some material to this railing. Alright, let's go ahead and add some materials here. Let's look inside our metal. We can do something. We can just go black. Yeah, we'll go black. See what we got. Yeah, it looks really good there. Just the angle kind of throws me off here. Just how we're positioned. I'd rather see more of those vertical, let's see, those vertical pieces. Maybe something like this. Yeah, that helps a lot, being able to see this. Alright, let's look into adding some more 3D warehouse stuff. Let me go ahead and check, see what I can grab, and we'll doctor this up a little more. So I added these supports here, cross bracing, you'll be able to see it. This here, just for some extra detailing. I like to have a lot of detail in my renderings. So we have that. Let's go ahead and add a texture to this. And they're all one component, so we'll just go ahead and I think I'm gonna use that metal that I really like. Alright, so online repository, we go down to metal, and the last category, let's use metal here. Alright, let's see how this looks in a render. Nice, it looks good. That looks good. And I'll probably do multiple shots, so I have this one that I really like. We'll also do one where we'll just back out a little bit, maybe kind of get the X bracing. Yeah, let's see, something like this. And then we'll angle ourselves down a bit like that. Let's go ahead and save that animation. Yeah, I'll definitely do this one. Go with this one, and let's see what this other looks like. Nice, yes, I really like this because it gives you everything. You know, it gives you the support here. I still got a nice view where I could add my cars flying by, get some pedestrians walking along the bridge. The water looks nice. May add a ferry inside there. So